been up since 3 a.m. It's currently 5:20, so I think I'm gonna go catch the sunrise. Since I'm up, I might as well. I guess we're gonna take this one with me, so I'll take you guys with. Okay, it's now 5:30. Alex is still asleep, so I think I'm just gonna doom scroll on TikTok for a little bit because sunrise, due to daylight savings, is now at like 6:55. So we have some time before I need to head to the beach. So yeah, I'm just gonna go scroll TikTok. Okay, it is 5:51. The birds are awake, so I'm taking Sebastian to go potty. And then we're gonna go ahead and head to the beach. I've always grown up going to sunrises like 45 minutes early. It has never failed me, so that's kind of the plan, is to be there super early so we can get all the different sky colors. I can kind of see the sun already, which is kind of crazy. And so yeah, I'm excited. And then I think I'm gonna grab coffee and a blueberry muffin at my favorite coffee shop, or one of my favorite coffee shops. I actually just found a new one that I think is going to be my favorite. But the one by the beach that I'm going to is where we're gonna go for breakfast and then come back home. And then I work today from 3 to 6, but I'm not gonna vlog that. I'm just gonna take you guys to sunrise. So it's gonna be a long day since I can't sleep, but it's just part of having pots. You gonna go get in the car? Sebastian, you wanna go to the beach? Let's go to the beach. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the beach. Oh goodness. Okay, not as colorful as some other sunrises, but this is a stunning sunrise. So I caught the sunrise in Grayton Beach, so I'm gonna head over to Blackberry Bread Co. I definitely want a coffee and a blueberry muffin. I might pick up a sourdough while I'm there. I'm not sure. It depends on what flavors they have today. So they were supposed to open at 7 at 7:03, and these guys are just waiting outside. I'm staying in my car because that's awkward, and the workers are like in there setting up. Ugh. Well, apparently this location is okay, never mind. They said it was closed and Seaside's open, but they just switched it to open, so I guess it's open now. So I'm gonna go in. So I got my coffee and a blueberry muffin, I got a sourdough, and I got it to go so I can eat it at home and eat breakfast with Alex. So let's go home. This is what we got. The sourdough looks so good. Alex and I have eaten breakfast. The sourdough bread is really good. A little hard to cut because we don't have the proper knife. My blueberry muffin was delicious, and Sebastian is currently drying off in his crate, but I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!